Hi, second grade students. Today we're going to be reviewing addition with regrouping. Remember, regrouping means that you have to move some of your ones into your tens place. Okay, I am going to set up this problem. 41 plus, let's actually do a different number. Let's do 45 plus 27. Okay, so just like yesterday when we were practicing, we made sure that we wrote our numbers vertically. 45 plus 27, and we lined up our tens place and our ones place. And we're always, always, always going to start in our ones place. Okay, so I'm going to add 5 plus 7, that equals 12. So I'm going to take the 2 and the 12, bring it down, and then I'm going to carry the 1 from the 10. And now I'm going to add down. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 72. Okay, so 45 plus 27 is 72. Okay, I'm going to do that traditional algorithm one more time. This is the way most of y'all have liked to add so far. So we're going to keep reviewing it this way. I'm going to do 64 plus 18. Okay, I'm going to write it up and down again, vertically. 64 plus 18. I'm going to add my 4 plus my 8. That equals 12. I'm going to take the 2 from my ones place and bring it down here. And then I'm going to take the 1 from my tens place and bring it up here. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus another 1 is 8, so my answer is 82. So 64 plus 18 equals 82. Let's look at it using another strategy. Okay, I'm going to add 63 plus 39. Actually, let's do 29. Okay, 63 plus 29. I'm going to set up my tens and ones chart like before. Tens and ones chart. And this is just going to help me make sure my numbers stay lined up. So if you're one of those people like me who kind of sometimes writes their stuff kind of sloppy and you don't have your numbers written quite on top of each other, this way will help you. So I'm going to write my 63 here, my 29 here. And I'm still going to add my ones place. 3 plus 9 is 12. I'm going to bring down my 2, carry my 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 2 is 9, so my answer is 92. Okay, let's do another one like that with the chart. Let's do 44 plus 37. 44 plus 37. I'm going to write my chart out again. Tens and ones. I'll line up my numbers. 44, 37. 4 plus 7 is 11. I'm going to bring my first one down. I'm going to carry my other one. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 is 8. So my answer is 81. So 44 plus 37 equals 81. Okay, that's one way to solve it with a chart. There's another way to solve it with a chart where we don't have to regroup or carry my 1 over that some people like better. It uses our expanded form. So I'm going to write my tens place, my ones place, and this time I'm going to work with the problem 34 plus 37. Okay. So I'm going to take my 34 and I'm going to break it into 30, because I know that's what my 3 really means, and 4. And I'm going to take my other 3 and make it a 30, and take my other 7 down. Now I'm going to add my ones place first. 4 plus 7 is 11, and I get to write that straight down here. Okay. Now I'm going to do 30 plus 30, that equals 60. And now I'm left with the problem 60 plus 11. And I can write that and know that in my head, that's 71, or if I need to, I can write 60 plus 11 up here. 0 plus 1 is 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So it equals 71. And if you do it this way, you're not going to have to carry from the ones place to the tens place because all of your ones are going to stay together there. Okay, let's do one more like that, and then I'll give you one to solve by yourself using your own strategy. Let's do 27 plus 35. 27 plus 35. I'm going to draw my tens and ones chart. This time I'm going to do expanded form. So I'm going to do 20 and 7 and 30 and 5. And then I'm going to add down. 7 plus 12, or 7 plus 5 is 12. 20 plus 30 is 50. Then I'm going to add and know that that equals 50 plus 12 is 62. So 27 plus 35 equals 62. Okay, I'm going to give you one to solve by yourself. You can choose any of the 3 strategies we've used today. You can do 19 plus 48. Solve 19 plus 48 by yourself on your scratch paper. Okay, I am going to choose to do the traditional algorithm since that was most of y'all's favorite strategy to use. I'm going to stack up my 19 and my 48. I'm going to add them. 9 plus 8 is 17. 7 is in the ones place. I carry my 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. So my answer is 67. 19 plus 48 equals 60. Oops, 67. Okay, now I need you to go do your addition practice on Schoology.